Here I am with your market update for November 2023. Good news across the board. I feel like we're seeing mostly an increase across the Metroplex. Teeny tiny little decreases of like 1 to 2% in certain areas. But the average sales price, let me just do this. In Tarrant County, the average sales price in November of 2023 was $426,000. That is crazy, I'm just saying. Like it's crazy how high the numbers have gone. But here's another interesting statistic is that the number of closed sales at 1,500 for the month of November is down 51%. That means that last year in November, there were over 3,000 closings, and this year there was only 1,500. So that just shows you that the level of activity has decreased significantly. Now, I will say I have read a lot of forecasts and prospecting that next year we are anticipating an increase in the number of transactions. So I expect those numbers to go up, but we are doing quite a lot fewer. I don't know how to string those words together to say we are doing quite a bit fewer number of closed sales. Now, the average days on market still is not terrible considering what we've seen with the reduction in number of closed sales and with the higher interest rates and all of that. We're seeing an average days on market of about 55, 72 in Johnson County, 79 in Ellis County. Dallas County is at 42, and then Collin and Denton are both around 70. So it could be a lot worse for sure. But certainly we're not in the, less than 21 days like we were once upon a time. New listings, 2,000. Right now there's about 5,000 active listings in town, and we've got about 4 to 6 months of inventory, which, guys, that's good news, okay? That means we are much closer to what a normal market looks like, rather than being in a super seller's market where, buyers are giving them everything but their firstborn child, or being in a buyer's market where sellers are having to give away everything they own in order to get a deal done. 6 months of inventory is really going to give us more of like an even match. Okay, so buyers and sellers are on a much more fair playing field. So anyway, I got a little bit long-winded on this one, but hope that you will definitely let me know if you have any questions. Call, text, email. What do the young kids say? Drop in my DMs or something. I don't know what that means, but let me know if you have questions. How can I help? And look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great weekend, guys.